When we teach our children reading comprehension strategies, it's important to teach them strategies for both fiction and nonfiction reading selections. And I want to share with you a resource inside of TeacherFileBox to help you do just that. Once you've logged on to TeacherFileBox.com, select Browse by Title, and then we're going to click R, and we're going to find the title called Reading Paired Text. In this Evan-Moor book, you actually have two different reading selections on the same topic, and there's activities to go with each one, and then you have additional activities to tie them together so that your child can use strategies for both fiction and nonfiction on the same topic. By clicking on this green triangle, then you see a list of each of the units that are included in this book. For today, we're going to choose Water, Weather, and Winter. And I really like how these are organized. When you click on the graphic, it's going to pop up a window to show you what's inside of each unit that you can preview before you print. Here's the unit overview, and it tells you exactly what is included in this unit. If you'll notice, it even gives you the difficulty level by each reading selection. So the first selection, Water All Around Us, is a nonfiction, and it is a level M. This is not tied to a grade level necessarily, but just more to the further down the alphabet you go, the more difficult the story is. The selection 2 is a fiction book called Panika's Favorite Season, and it is a level O. So this will help guide you to choose the right level for your child. When you click on Next, then you see a lesson plan. It gives you 7 different ways that you can use each of these selections. And obviously they build on each other. So you start by introducing the selection, you read it, then you introduce the vocabulary, and so on. I like how it's all clearly laid out for me, so it's really easy for me to follow. Then it actually gives you some sample questions to help your child make sure that they are thinking about all the different comprehension strategies that they can use to get the most out of this story. So then you have the actual selection, and then you have the activity pages that go with it, including vocabulary, some comprehension questions, and a writing response. Then you have the selection 2 of Panika's Favorite Season. Again, you have the same lesson plan format. You have the questions that you ask to go with this reading selection. You have the selection itself, and then you have the student pages that go with it. Finally, at the end, you have a unit assessment where you see if your child can tie all this together. There are specific questions to guide them in doing just that, as well as a graphic organizer for them to document their thinking and comprehension, and a writing prompt if they would like to use that to then further express what they understand about the stories. And then, of course, as always, there's an answer key available for you. I have found that reading paired text is a really great way for my child to understand how to use both fiction and nonfiction strategies on a similar topic. If you would like to learn more about this title and others, please head over to TeacherFileBox.com, or you're welcome to leave a comment below this video.